Sustainability used to be about buzzwords, about good PR. Today, it's become operational reality. It's about compliance. It's about regulations. It's about your license to operate. Thankfully, industrial leaders no longer have to choose between profit or planet, because a sustainable plant is simply an efficient plant. When Cognite solutions help prevent unplanned downtime, you don't just save revenue, you reduce the environmental impact caused by operational disruptions. When Cognite solutions help optimize your production, you aren't just boosting yield, you're ensuring every unit of energy creates value. And when Cognite solutions help democratize access to data, it gives every decision maker, from the field to the boardroom, the power to generate positive value. With Cognite, sustainability isn't a cost, it's the ultimate efficiency metric. Smarter operations, sustainable outcomes. With Cognite, it's all the same data.